So today we'll be discussing a little bit more on this hot topic on cholesterol. This problem about high cholesterol has been getting an earlier onset as society progresses these days, and definitely diet has a large part to play in it. So what's the question again?
Can I eat seafood, Ron?
Yes, seafood. It's a very highly debatable topic. But in my opinion, seafood has cholesterol in it. But the cholesterol in seafood would not directly cause a spike in your blood cholesterol. In actual fact, if you know prawns turn orange when they are cooked. So why they turn orange? Because of this component called astaxanthin in prawns. Astaxanthin is used to make krill oil. Krill oil is similar to omega-3, where it helps to reduce your blood cholesterol in a long run. For seafood, I would suggest for those of you who are watching your cholesterol, definitely to take less than moderately, because after all, it has cholesterol inside and you wouldn't want it to indirectly or directly affect your blood cholesterol. If cholesterol is not the main causing factor, so what is the main causing factor? It's three components. First, saturated fats, trans fats, sugar. Okay, these three causes can directly cause a spike in your cholesterol. So if you can see over here, your snacks, your goodies, your Chinese New Year goodies, your chocolates, your cookies and all this contains high amounts of saturated fats, trans fats and sugar. And when taken in more than moderate amount or high amounts, it can directly cause a spike in your cholesterol. So this is one group of food that you really need to watch for. And I would suggest for you to read the labels, for you to see how much of the saturated fats are inside, trans fats especially, and sugar, so that you can know what you're eating and you can reduce them naturally. The second group of food that causes a direct spike in your cholesterol is red meat. Red meat contains high in saturated fats, and when taken in high amount, it can cause a spike in your cholesterol. Examples of red meat would be your duck, mutton, pork, and beef. So all this, I would suggest for you to take in moderate amount or less than moderate amount if you're watching for your cholesterol. The last will be eggs. Okay, eggs is another highly debatable topic. But I would say eggs, similar to your seafood, will not directly cause a spike in your cholesterol. The egg yolk. The egg white definitely won't, because it just contains protein. So the egg yolk has a lot of other nutrients inside which will help the body to rejuvenate, to heal. So of course, if you do not do regular exercise and if you are one who sits in front of the computer all day long, I would suggest for you to reduce your egg intake as well to maybe 1 to 2 eggs a week instead of taking eggs daily. And when that in, you are able to moderate your diet with the right exercise and mental state, your cholesterol will naturally reduce.